You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expression by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. Before we move on to the solution of this question, let us understand briefly what BODMAS is. BODMAS is actually the word which is collection of 6 abbreviations. BODMAS. Here B stands for brackets. We have 4 types of brackets: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Then O stands for order. In order these types of number fall. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So when we are solving any expression, we will apply the operators and the brackets in the same sequence as written in this description, which is BODMAS. So if there are brackets, we will solve first the line bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. Then we will solve the order and then we will solve division sign, then multiplication sign, then some addition sign and after that subtraction sign. Let's carry on with our solution. We will solve the small bracket first because there is no line bracket. 1 of 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 7 into 7. Now we will solve 1 of 2. 1 of 2 means 2. Now we have 4 numbers: 25 minus 2 plus 7 and multiplication of 7. According to the BODMAS rule, division needs to be solved first. Since there is no division, so we will go to the next one, which is multiplication. We have only one multiplication sign here, 7 into 7. We will solve that one first. (49). Now we have to do addition, so 25 plus 49. What is 25 plus 49? 74 minus 2, and in the end 74 minus 2 is 72, which is the answer of our question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.